Madam Zita Gurmai, 1 minute, please, Madam.
Dear President, Commissioner, colleagues, the EU has half a billion inhabitants and these many people are not negligible in world politics. The USA has only 296 million people. The EU has all the potential to be a great power, as we have been for years in the economic and cultural field. Yet, in the political field, we have not lived up to our potential until now, because Europe often remains divided, even when common action would be more efficient. Europe already has a phone number, but it has no real common voice. The CFSP and the ESDP are currently non-visible policies from a political point of view. Whether we like it or not, a common voice will mean we will need greater foreign policy and defence policy coordination. Common policies like that go right to the heart of the matter of national sovereignty, but what members get in return for parts of their national sovereignty is greater influence in world politics. This is why I welcome the initiative of President Van Rompuy, and this is why I encourage the Council to continue the coordination it began last week and eventually to broaden it and deepen it. Emotions may not deter us from our goals, as you said. Thank you very much.
Thank you, colleague, for your speech. Madam Livia Járóka, 130.
Thank you, Mr. President. I would like to warmly welcome the statement of the Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orbán about launching a European Roma strategy during the upcoming Hungarian presidency. This Parliament has been the propelling force behind developing a common European programme for Roma inclusion, and after the announcement